Hey everyone, this is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be going to talk about the Redragon Invader M719 gaming mouse. And guys, this is actually a kind of a budget ranged gaming mouse by Redragon, and it actually cost around 1300 rupees. I think it's around 1350. So yeah, this is actually budget gaming mouse that you can get, and I think it has some really good stuffs. So now starting with the design, as you can see, it has a pretty simple design. There's nothing much, and this is actually one of the reason why I love this mouse, because due to this design it actually really feels good in hands, and in terms of comfortability also it is actually really good. And as you can see, we have plenty of buttons in this mouse as well. Like, we have 2 buttons on the top and 3 buttons on the side. We'll talk about that in the later part of the video, but as of now, as you can see, whenever you put your hand, it's pretty ideal for everyone, because my hands are not that big, and then also this mouse is actually doing pretty good job. And if you have a big hands, then also it's not going to be any kind of problem, because we have got that tested. And as you can see, we have 3 buttons on side. These 2 buttons are for your back and forward, but you can actually map them as well in the software. And we have this another button which acts like 3 clicks. Whenever we press it once, it will act as a 3 click. So you can use that button for shooting DMRs and shooter games like PUBG or in CSGO and whatever game you like. And now the click sound, let me just give you a sample. So guys, in terms of click sound, the click sound is actually really good, so there's no problem regarding that. And the glossy surface test, because most of the mouse doesn't work that great on glossy surface, but this mouse actually works with a pretty good precision on glossy surface. So if you don't want to use this mouse with a mouse pad, I don't know why you would want to do that, but if that's the case, then it works really great on naked desk. So if you want to use that on glossy surface like this one, then you can definitely use this. It will work really fine, no problem regarding that. And if we talk about the lighting and stuff, then as you can see, it has this wave feature. It's a wave kind of stuff that lights up, and it also has some static colors. I think it has red, green, blue, yellow, and it has 7 colors, I think, that you can choose from. It doesn't have a proper RGB, but they have so much color profile that you can choose from, which is a really good thing. And as you can see, we have 2 buttons on the top. The top button is for changing the DPI, and the down button is for changing the color profile. So yeah, you can do that. Now coming to the cable quality, as you can see, it has a really nice cable quality as it's braided cable. And there's a myth that braided cables create friction between your mouse pad, but I didn't feel any kind of problem. So yeah, the braided cable actually works really great, and I think you don't have to worry about the cable quality. The cable is actually really good. So guys, if you are finding a good mouse in this price range, then you can definitely go for this. And if you just simply like this video, guys, then please hit the like button. And if you want to buy this mouse, I have an Amazon link in the description below, so you can definitely check that out. It does help the channel out. And peace out, and subscribe to the channel.